Today we're doing a full body workout using our body weight for resistance. This is perfect for times that you're short on space or you don't have equipment such as dumbbells to use. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you're notified anytime a new video comes up. And for my full-length workouts, including the full-length version of this workout today, come check out my unlimited community. Details are below. So we're gonna start today in standing, and we're just gonna start for a quick moment walking in place to get those joints warmed up a little bit and to get our blood flowing. So there are so many benefits to body weight workouts. Now, you know me, I love dumbbells. Using that kind of weight is so beneficial for your bones, for your muscles, for your brain, your posture, your balance, so many things. But there are times that you need to use just your body weight. Let's say you're just starting out, or you're recovering from an injury, or you're simply traveling, or you don't have any dumbbells or equipment with you. This is the perfect workout for those situations. So you'll still strengthen your muscles, help your bones, help your endurance and your strength as well. All right, so now what I want you to do is take the right foot and step it out, then the left one out. Right in, left in. So we're going out, out, in, out, out, in. Just another moment here. Switch now, left, right, left, left. So we're going out, out, in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Come back to center. And I want you to find your feet about shoulder distance apart. I'm going to turn to the side here. And I want you to bring both arms out in front of you and then back down. So I have my palms facing down and my arms lift and lower. And now what we're gonna do is add a calf raise. When your arms lift, raise up to your toes, arms lower, you lower your heels. Inhale, exhale. And at any point, if you need a little help with your balance, you can just not do the arm portion and have yourself close to a wall or a chair or even the kitchen counter. These kind of exercises can be done first thing in the morning when you're simply waiting for your coffee to brew. Some of these things are great to just do in the kitchen by that kitchen counter. We'll do 4, 3, 2, last one. Now leave your arms up as your heels come down, and I want you to do little pulses with your arms here. So think about that nice tall posture, and you're just pulsing your arms up, 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 up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now palms up and do the same thing. So this workout came to me recently because if you've been following me in real time, you know that about 5.5 weeks ago now do palms down again. Okay, we're just gonna keep going. For about 5.5 weeks ago, I had a double mastectomy and I have just been released. Now palms up. I've just been released to start doing some body weight exercises and movement with my arms. So this is how I'm gonna start to build my strength back up with these kind of exercises. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now hands out to the side. I have my palms down, see that? 4, 3, 2, 1, palms up. So these start to catch up to you. I bet you're feeling it right about now, especially with all of my talking. Good, palms down, one more set of each. So it's a great way to get a little strength in the shoulders. Again, we're getting the heart rate up a little bit, palms up. And this is exactly how I am starting to build a little strength back up safely until I can lift some dumbbells again. Nice, bring the arms back down. Okay, we're gonna move the feet again, shoulder distance apart if you're not already there, and I want them turned out just slightly, okay? A slight turnout. Hands on your hips. You're gonna sit back and down to a squat and come back up. Inhale, exhale. Now, stick with me here because I know some of you are watching, rolling your eyes, saying, oh, not another squat. I can't do squats, Jessica, it hurts my knees. You wanna sit out and you wanna turn me off right now. Don't do it. Stay with me. Squats are so functional. Every time you get on and off a toilet, you're doing a squat. So let me help you build some strength so that you stay independent in life. You stay functional. So if you need to do a small motion, you can. It can be really teeny. okay? If you need to only do 2 and take a break, you can. Just don't skip out. Find a way that works for you. Hang on to something if you need to. If you don't need to, let's add the arms. They lift and lower. So all of that arm mobility and work we already did is coming back right here. So you're sitting your booty back and down behind you like you're gonna sit back into a chair, okay? You let your sit bones open up. There are no butt squeezes here. No tucking, no squeezes. You actually let your low back arch, stick that booty out when you go down. Last 2. Last 1, stay here, pulse. 4, 3, 2, 1, and up. Again, down, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Okay, left foot forward, right foot back. Stick with me through this too. Back heel is lifted, okay? My feet are really far apart from each other, forward to back. Long, long, long stance. And we're gonna bend the knees, come back up. That's all I'm doing. Bend, straighten. So this also, look at how small I can do it. Okay, just like that. It's fine. Maybe you can go deeper. Keep the back heel lifted. That's key to helping any pain you might feel with lunges. 3, 2, 1. Now, stay here and just bend the front knee and find a straight line from your head down to your heel. Hands by your sides with the palms facing up, and I want you to lift, lift, lift. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. 4, 3, 2, 1. Step in, left foot back, heel is lifted, lower, lift. Now, if you've done the smallest motion you can and you've really tried to find the right form and you say, gosh, I just can't do this with my knees, I want you to do a step up instead. You find stairs and you just step up and step back down. That's what you're doing right now with me. Okay, if a lunge is just absolutely not accessible to you, no problem. Just don't stop. We're gonna find an alternative motion. That's what we can always do. 3, 2, 1. This is where I'm gonna bend that front knee. I lean forward, straight line, straighten the back knee, hands back, palms lifted, squeeze. Squeeze, keep the shoulder blades together. And then the alternative is, some of you are used to lifting heavy dumbbells or used to lifting weights. Also realize how much great work this is. It's a really great lesson in remembering that our body weight is a great way to work out. 3, 2, 1, step all the way in. Nice job. Okay, we're gonna come down onto the mat or onto the floor. And I want you to be on all 4s. Here, okay? Knees underneath your hips, hands underneath your shoulders, and I want you to find a straight line again from your head to your tail. Your right foot is back, keep the toes pointed. Lift and lower. So all 4s is one of my favorite positions. I just got permission from my doctor to be on all 4s again with using kind of this weight from my arms to start to strengthen. And I was so happy because it's such a great position for full body work. You can work the back of your body, the back of your leg, your arms, your core. Last 2. 1, stay here, let's pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now listen up. We're gonna swing that leg forward. You can come as far forward as you can, okay? And then you'll notice I scooted my back knee back. Now, I'm gonna come up here with my hands on my knee or hands on my thigh. This too, just have a chair close by or a wall if you need to for balance. I'm gonna bring my hands to my hips now. Press back with the right leg, come forward. So we have now moved this into a really great hip mobility exercise. So I told you full body strengthening. We've gotten some leg strengthening, some arms. We've even gotten a little core. And now we're getting into hip mobility. One more. Nice job. Hands come down. However is easiest for you to bring the leg back, and then find that position on all fours again. Left leg reaches back, toes pointed, lift, lower. So if this bothers your wrists, you can go into fists instead. I also highly encourage you to look at some of my workouts, maybe the basic dumbbell workouts for upper body or TheraBand, rotator cuff. All of that will help you have less pain in your wrists in these positions. Last one, lift, hold it here, pulse, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Swing the leg forward. Take your time. I'm definitely going slower than usual here as I get used to using my arms a little bit again. Okay, nice and tall. Then again, when you're ready, you lean forward a little into that hip, and then you press back, and that's your hamstring. I let my toes come up. And you can pad the back knee. And then also you can do this standing. If you absolutely cannot be on that knee on the back, then do this standing and have your left foot on a chair and you're standing on the right foot. And same thing, you would lean forward and press back. One more. Nice job. Forward again. Hands come down. Let's take that leg back, separate your knees, and just reach your hands forward as you let your forehead come down. And slowly walk back and restack your spine. And great job. You can repeat that throughout the week as needed to get that great full body workout using only your body weight for resistance. And remember, for the full length version of that and all my workouts, check out my unlimited program and app, and the link is below. I'll see you on your mat soon.